Prepare your soil so that it becomes loose, light, and is cleared of rocks. To sow, trace a simple furrow with the handle of the rake and sow the seeds. Cover with soil and press down, then water. To care for your plants, thin first to 2 inches when the plants have grown 2 or 3 leaves. Thin again a fortnight later, thinning to about 3 inches. Mulch and water. To harvest carrots without the need for any tool, push down on the carrot first before pulling it out. This will break the rootlets that bind it to the soil. Keep your carrots in dry storage.